Even though I caught 3 of the same monsters from the same stream, this video will prove to you that you can catch these monsters anywhere, anytime, any condition, on any stream. Okay, so this first fish was caught in Okano County in the spring, early May, early morning, about 7-ish, in Okano County. The water temperature was 53 degrees. The spinner was homemade, extra large with yellow deer hair tied onto the treble hook. The fish measured 19 inches.
There's a 20. Wow. That's a 20 all day, ladies and gents. He's right at 19. I can't believe it. You cannot believe it. I never get this lucky. Oh, there we go. There's one. Stuck. Oh. Come on. Get in there. Oh, I got him. Might be a 20. Looks up. Is 19 and a half. 19 and a quarter. Go, ladies and gentlemen. I got lucky for once. 19 and a half incher. That was great. Oh, that was great. Thank you. I didn't know my efforts would pay off, but
the second fish that I got was 17 inches. It was caught from the same river, about a half hour later on the same spinner.
Wow. Damn. Get a measurement on him. Oh, we can. He is 17 and a half.
So the last fish was 17 and a half, sorry. So this third fish was from the same river. This one was quite the fighter. Jumped out of the water a couple, 2-3 times. Hit the same spinner. Yellow Panther Martin type, about a ½ ounce, big spinner. Tied with that yellow deer hair tied on the treble hook. This fish was 19 inches.
Oh, there we go. There's one. Stuck. Oh. Come on. Get in there. Oh, I got him. Might be a 20. Looks up. Is 19 and a half. 19 and a quarter. Go, ladies and gentlemen. I got lucky for once. 19 and a half incher. That was great. That was great. Thank you.
So fish number 4 was caught in Lacrosse County in June, about 10 a.m. The water temperature was 53 degrees, and I got this one on a 1/4 ounce Panther Martin type spinner, and for 17-inch fish, he was very heavy, very strong, very wild, and it was a wonderfully great fight.
Go. Come on. Oh. What a beautiful fish, eh?
For this next clip, please subscribe to get weekly trout fishing tips and videos. So, number 5. Caught this fish in Vernon County early in May. The water temperature was 55 degrees. It was about 2:30 in the afternoon, sunny, clear water. So, number 5. Caught this fish in Vernon County early in May. The water temperature was 55 degrees. It was about 2:30 in the afternoon, sunny, clear water, and I had my gold yellow body Panther Martin. This fish was 17 inches.
Oh my God, look at that. Oh, I got him. Oh, there's the biggest one yet. Finally. Okay. That's out. Third to last line. There you go, people. I would say he's 17. Oh, I'd say he's 17. Beautiful fish. And there he goes.
So the number 6 fish was caught in Okano County, central Wisconsin. Water temperature was 50 degrees. It was caught in early April, around 3 in the afternoon, with a gold hammered blade, custom made by me. Over a 1/4 ounce, between a 1/4 ounce and a 1/2 ounce. And this fish measured 17 inches.
Whoa. That's a lair if I've ever seen one, dude. Ah. There we go. Oh my God. Where is he? No, don't go back in there. Where is he? Get his head up. Oh, there we go. Yes. He is. Very big. Made it 17.
I'm sure glad you stayed with me for this fish, number 7. It was a bruiser. I caught this fish also in April, 7:30 in the morning. The water temperature was 48 degrees. It was cold. Wind chill was, I don't know, 40. Rainy. This fish measured 21 inches. I caught it in Okano County, and I caught it on a smaller quarter-ounce Panther Martin. I was fishing in Crawford County in July around 8 a.m. The water temperature was 55 degrees. I was using a large hammered blade silver spinner, I think quarter-ounce plus, and I landed this beautiful 20-inch brown trout. Holy shit. This thing's huge. Oh, God. Look at this thing. Gigantic, dude. Oh my God. Get in there. Oh. Wow. It's a brown though. Yeah, how big is he? Right at 20, ladies and gentlemen. Again. Just at 20. Number 9. So I was fishing late August, about 2:30 in the afternoon. The water temperature was 57 degrees. I was in Buffalo County, and I was using a yellow-bodied spinner with a gold blade, and I hooked this monster 22.5-inch brown. He swiped at that spinner one time. I dropped it right back in, grabbed it, and the battle was on. Oh my God. That one. Come on. Where is he? Oh. Slid. I got a 20. Exactly. He's exactly 21. Get a shake out of it. Number 9. So I was fishing late August, about 2:30 in the afternoon. The water temperature was 57 degrees. I was in Buffalo County, and I was using a yellow-bodied spinner with a gold blade, and I hooked this monster 22.5-inch brown. Oh my, that was a 20. Shit. There it is. There's my net. Stay on, buddy. Come on. Oh, don't do that. Come on. Come on. Come on. You're near it. There we go. All right. Oh my God. That one was tough balls. Big one. Okay. Sorry, buddy. You're gonna be okay. Yeah. So the final fish, it was September morning, about 9:30. Water temp was 53 degrees. I was in Buffalo County again, using a 1/2-ounce Panther Martin type custom spinner that I made. Gold body, gold blade, and ended up hooking this 19-inch beautiful brown. And as I went to pull the hook out of his mouth, he jumped out of the net. And then I looked at the video when I got home, and I measured the distance from my net, and it went from between 18 and 20, so I can't positively call it a 20, but I think it was closer to 19, but we'll never know because it jumped out of the net. There we go. Oof, got him. Okay, good job. That thing's heavy. Oh, that's 18 for sure. Wow, that's a big one. Oh God, dude. Yeah, that's a big one there. Oh my God. He's gonna get me.